Welcome to this guided meditation video. Find a comfortable seated or lying down position, with your hands resting gently on your lap or by your side. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position, and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Let's begin. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Allow yourself to release any tension or stress that you may be holding in your body. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place, surrounded by nature, or anywhere that makes you feel relaxed and at ease. Focus on your breath, as it moves in and out of your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. As thoughts or distractions arise, gently acknowledge them, and then let them go. Bring your focus back to your breath. As you breathe in, imagine that you are breathing in calmness and tranquility. As you exhale, imagine that you are releasing any stress or negative energy that may be present in your body. As you continue to breathe, imagine yourself in a beautiful, peaceful environment. Perhaps it's a beach, a forest, or a mountaintop. Visualize yourself surrounded by tranquility and beauty. Allow your mind to become still and peaceful. Focus on your breath, and on the present moment. Allow yourself to experience a sense of calm and inner peace. Take a few more deep breaths in and out. As you exhale, release any remaining tension or stress in your body. Allow yourself to become more relaxed and at ease. As we come to the end of this meditation, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel now, compared to before the meditation. Remember, you can always return to this state of calm and inner peace whenever you need to. Thank you for joining us for this guided meditation.